Beautiful.
Hello everyone, today let us study the parts of a plant. Are you ready? Yes? Come, let's start. The part of a plant which is above the soil is shoot of a plant. The part of a plant which is below the soil are roots of a plant. This is a leaf. Leaf produce food for the plant with the help of photosynthesis. This is a flower. Flower helps in reproduction. This is a fruit. Fruit helps to prevent seeds from dying. This is a stem. Stem supports the leaves to conduct water and minerals. These are roots. Roots helps in absorption of water and minerals from soil. Now let's revise once again. This is a flower. This is a leaf. This is a fruit. This is a stem. These are roots. I hope you enjoyed the video. For more videos, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.